yung kanin.
Kakain tayo kanin.
Oh, syempre. Syempre, kakain tayong kanin.
Anong ulam natin?
Luncheon meat.
Wow, sarap yan. Bukas na?
Kung kaninang tanghali, prito natin, pinarito kang luncheon meat.
Nagbukas ka luncheon meat kanina?
Oo.
Natikman ko na yon.
Kumain ka na nga.
Love you, my son.
Love you, nanay ko.
Kakain na tayo.
Maya-maya, pagluto ng kanin.
Alas 12 na ba?
6:30 ng gabi.
Ay, gabi.
Oo, gabi na. Pagkatapos mo kumain, tutulog ka uli. Umaga na naman.
Okay lang.
Okay talaga. Love you, Nay. Nay, love you.
I love you, my son. Anong niluluto mo ngayon?
Kanin lang.
Ay, nagsaing ka?
Oo.
Ikaw, anak ko.
Hi,
My
ma.
daughter,
Yes, ma.
Tina.
Ano po yun? Ano yun, ma?
God bless you, anak ko.
God bless you more,
Ano ba
ma.
mayroon natin, anak?
Luncheon meat.
Ah,
Luncheon meat.
luncheon meat
Opo.
daw.
Kanina luncheon meat kay kuya. Wow. Saya-saya mo.
Shit, luncheon meat daw.
Oo, luncheon meat.
Ngayon sinabi ko yung luncheon meat. Ano? Parang ano na. Nag-iba na ng reaction yung mukha mo, mama.
Galing-galing naman ang mga anak
okay.
ko.
Okay pala eh. Mama, yung noodle mo, ayun oh.
Ah,
Yung noodle mo.
Kain ka muna noodle, Nay.
Yung noodle mo, ayun oh.
Alright.
mayroon ba?
Meron,
Ayun, oh.
ayun oh.
Higop ka ng sabaw.
Anong pakiramdam mo, mama, na? Anong pakiramdam?
Okay lang.
Salamat naman.
Kakakain pa.
Hi! Bisikleta pala yun. Pero sama ng comment niya.
Panira naman yung...
Sama ng comment niya eh.
Panira naman yun eh.
Oo, tignan mo yung bisikleta. 3 gulong.
Hi, Bombay. I don't want to hear those words.
Sa Lagumbay.
It's here. I won't edit it. That's the reality.
Noodle pala ito.
The reality of so many people saying those words. I don't want those words.
Mainit pa.
I hear it every day. Almost every day.
Init pa. Mamaya.
If I didn't open this YouTube, I won't hear that word. But if I watch something in YouTube, most of the time I hear that word. I don't want that word. It's just my honest opinion. I don't want that word. The purpose of this video is for documenting my life and observing my movement and just plain like that. If I sing, I sing. If I dance, I just dance. It's what I feel. And right now, I still have this voice inside me that kept telling me to go on, move on, go with your life, focus on your journey. And this is just a window. If you don't click it, you won't see me. That's all. Thank you. God bless everyone.